Hey everybody, it's Mozzy. Thank you again for watching my videos. If you're new, I hope you enjoy the show. Today we're going to do a quick little install on my Toyota 4Runner. And what we're going to do, well, hint, I did this a few months ago on my passenger side. So what we're going to do is install now on the driver's side, which is a pair of seat jackers by a company called Desert Does It. Let's have some fun and let's get it done. So what I have here is a 3/8 extension, a 14mm and a 15mm for Toyota for the aftermarket bolt. This is my driving position right now, and after sitting a while, my back of my butt hurts and my legs feel a little tired. I want to bring this seat up a little bit to be a little more comfortable. So that's really simple. Move the seat back, expose these bolts. We're going to remove those bolts in the back. We're going to just loosen them so the front of the seat can go up and down. Now we're going to loosen up these bolts here. Okay. Now we have the seat set up. Let's take these out. The package comes seat jackers, blue thread lock, and extra bolts. These are 15mm. All right, so let's put these aside. Let's get these opened up. Seat jackers, nice. Just aluminum block. So this seat jacker, just what it does is just lifts it up by 1.25 inches. So that's why you gotta have the back ones loosened. So you just lift it up. There's a hole here and thread here. So you put like that. You put the other one, same thing. Hole. The original bolts go in here. Now put the bolts that came with it. You put them on here. Oh yeah. I feel like I'm sitting a little more comfortable. And this is all the way down. Before I had it all the way up. Oh yeah, this can support my legs. Feel a lot more comfortable now. Still the same amount of headroom. Haven't really lost anything. So yeah, I'm going on a Boston trip, so we'll see how it goes. I'll let you guys know. Hey, oh, what happened? Yeah, my mustache is gone. It's been a couple of days, more than a week. I have to say, these seat jackers, they do what they say. I went to Boston, pick up my cousin, came back, 7-hour round trip. My legs were not fatigued at all. Usually I get fatigued after 2-3 hours, but this product does what it says. So again, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.